Welcome back. Everyone has a hobby of collecting coins, stamps and many other things. Surendra Pai Palondikar from Madgaon has collection of around 90 Ganesh idols. He has displayed these idols on eve of Chawat.
थोडे केले 20 मागीर इयरली म्हाका 2-3 अशे गिफ्ट दिवपाक लागले. अशें करता करता म्हगेली 90 जाले कलेक्शन.
Reporter Savia Dice for Prudent. Traffic congestion in Urban Development Minister's constituency is an everyday story. Interstate buses, schools surrounding the city, court, a major market in North Goa and the narrow roads. Residents of Mapusa have been facing this nuisance from past many years. Municipal Council has lot of plans, but just on the paper. Watch this report.
This is Court Junction in Mapusa city. There is a court surrounded by 2 to 3 schools. Traffic congestion on this road is an everyday affair. Traffic flow has become a reason of worry for the Mapshekars.
म्हापशा शहराक ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन ही एक मोठी समस्या आसा आणि ही समस्या सोडोवपाक लागून आमी कालच्या कौन्सिल मिटिंगेन एक डिसिजन घेतलेले आहा. तेका लागून आमी जी कोमलीदाद एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आहा पळय तेंची बिल्डींग आहा ती बिल्डिंगेचे कंपाउंड वॉल 3.5 मीटर भितर घेवपाक आमी परमिशन मागलां. ते गाडे आहात थंयसर 5-6 गाडे आहात ते बी रिहॅबिलिट करपाक आमी रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें आहा. सेंट मेरीच्या फुडल्यानसून आमी तो एक हिली एरिया आसलो तो हे करून बस बी केल्लो आहा. तेतून थोडी समस्या सुटल्या.
Market, bus stand, taxi stand and traffic of interstate buses. It's all a mess and chaos over here. Kandolkar says, Council has proposed a bypass road to divert heavy vehicular traffic.
जे मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स आहा त्याच्या फाटसून एक 25 मीटर विथ रोड येता. तो रोड तर बेगिनात बेगीन जालो जाल्यार ह्यो ज्यो हेवी ट्रॅफिक भितर मार्केट एरियाक येतात त्यो भायल्या भायर वयतल्यो. जेणे तो पळय रोड आहा तो जो आतां बस स्टॉप आमचो जाता त्या हेका त्या बस स्टॉपाक तो रोड एटॅच जाता आणि ते जाल्या कारणान म्हाका दिसता खुबशी ट्रॅफिकची समस्या सुट्टली.
Our reporter from Mapusa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
Lokmanya Tilak started celebrating Ganesh Utsav as a public festival by establishing a Sarvajanik Ganpati in 1894, and today it is the most popular event in the state. There are a number of mandals and communities who have installed Sarvajanik Ganpatis in the state. Here, have a look. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.